Want to speak English confidently? Speak, speak, learn, practice, improve. Speak English confidently every day. Let's speak English together.
I love the beach. Me too. I put on sunscreen. Good idea. The water is warm. Let's swim. I'm building a sandcastle. It's so cute. This coconut is sweet. Can I try? One umbrella, please. Here you go. Nice shot. Thanks. The sunset is beautiful. Take a picture. This ice cream is delicious. I want one too. I can surf a little. That's amazing. I want to try kayaking. It's easy. Look at this shell. It's beautiful. I'm reading my book. Is it good? I like this hat. It looks great on you. I'm hungry. Let's eat. Catch the ball. Got it. The waves are big. Be careful. One orange juice, please. Coming right up. I feel so relaxed. Me too. It's time to go. See you tomorrow. I love riding here. It's so much fun. Is the fish fresh? Yes, very fresh. Look, dolphins. Wow, amazing. I do yoga every morning. That's healthy. My kite is flying high. It looks great. I need a shower. Me too. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How much are these? $10. Your dog is so cute. Thank you. The fireworks are beautiful. I love this night. This is hard. You can do it. Kick your legs. Like this? This food is great. Have some more. This toy is cute. Kids will love it. I'd like the grilled fish. Good choice. This is my best one. It's amazing. I run every morning. That's great exercise. Let's clean the beach. Good idea. Say cheese. Cheese. The sunrise is amazing. What a beautiful day. Go team, go. We're winning. This is so cozy. I love bonfire nights. I love this song. Let's dance. Let's go snorkeling. I'm so excited. Where is the beach? It's over there. I like this towel. It's a nice color. Is this yours? Yes, thank you. Look what I drew. That's so sweet. Be careful, okay? Okay, I will. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. I'll send this postcard. Who is it for? I'm writing to my mom. That's so nice. Throw it here. Catch. This is so fast. Hold on tight. I love movie nights. Me too. Can you help me? Sure, no problem. These churros smell good. Try one. How do I look? You look great. 2 chairs, please. Right this way. Let's stay in touch. Yes, for sure. Good game. You're really good. Who is winning? We are. 1 mango smoothie, please. Coming right up. I won first place. Congratulations. Let me help you. Thank you, dear. How romantic. It's a beautiful wedding. I've never ridden a horse. You're doing great. This design is pretty. Thank you. This music is lovely. He plays so well. It's time to leave. I had a great trip. 2 scoops, please. Here you go. Watch this. Be careful. That looks so fun. Let's try it next time. This shrimp is tasty. I agree. Smile for the photo. Thank you so much. One more round? Sure, let's go. The birds are hungry. They're so cute. I found one. Great job. This feels amazing. Just relax. This dance is beautiful. I love this culture. This cabana is nice. Very comfortable. I found a coin. Lucky you. I feel so peaceful. This is a great class. That was so funny. I can't stop laughing. Can I have one, please? Of course. Is it tight enough? Perfect now. I want a flower, please. Coming right up. That jump was incredible. He's so skilled. I love this song. They play so well. Thank you for everything. You're very welcome. This view is amazing. Look at the colors. This will remind me of today. It's a perfect gift. Today was a great day. Write it all down. These photos are great. Send them to me. Goodbye and thank you. Have a safe trip. I'll miss this place. It was wonderful. Time to pack up. I had so much fun. Thank you, beautiful beach. See you again soon. I'll come back next year. I can't wait. Goodbye, beach. See you next time.